Hi, I'm Bill Street and I'm a product manager at HellermannTyton. This is our button head cable tie. It's a versatile solution used in heavy-duty applications such as electrical harnesses and hydraulic and fuel lines on cars, trucks, and heavy equipment. Let's take a closer look. Unlike traditional two-piece bundling and mounting solutions, it has a one-piece design. Better for assemblers, no fitting multiple parts together, which can be tedious and time-consuming. Looking closer, you'll see that it has a pilot bushing for a more secure fit in the panel hole, which also protects against abrasion damage. And these guides on either side help with blind installations. You simply insert it through the panel or frame rail. Add your cable or tubing and pull the tail through to be hand tight. Optionally, you can use an Evo 9i hand tool for precise tensioning and cutting. The strap is serrated on both sides, so the installer doesn't need to worry about which way it's being inserted through the head. This part has a robust 150-pound tensile strength rating and accommodates bundles up to 4.1 inches in diameter. Does the button head cable tie look like a more efficient solution for your workflow? Learn more by contacting your HellermannTyton sales rep or visiting our website and searching button head cable tie. Thanks for watching.